Hello! Today we're going to learn how to use the Events tab in the side menu of your control panel to view and edit ticket types. You will select Events, and then Events or Courses. To register tickets for an event, you will click on the drop-down arrow next to the I button, and then select Type of Ticket. You will then click on the blue Add Type of Ticket button. Remember that the fields with an asterisk are required to fill in. You will choose either free or paid ticket type. The only difference is that if you choose paid, you must fill in the price per ticket below. You will enter a name for your ticket, you can enter any necessary details, you will add a limit of tickets per person, a limit of total tickets, and then you will select the status of the ticket. You can choose not published, frequently published, or published when. I'm going to choose frequently published and then save and publish it. You can add more types of tickets for the same event. So now I'm going to simulate an event registration per batch. I'm going to add batch 1. I'm actually going to choose paid. I'm going to limit per person, the total number of tickets, price per ticket, and then choose Published When. Since it is the first batch, it will be published within a period. So I will select the date, the start time, the final date, and the final time. And then I will publish. Now I will add batch 2. Starting with a paid ticket, putting in the name. I'm going to limit per person, limit the number of tickets, input the price per ticket, and I will select Published When again. Now I will choose Other Type of Ticket and select the name for batch 1. This means that this batch 2 will be available on the end date of batch 1 or when batch 1 runs out. Now click Publish. Back on the page with the list of ticket types for the event, you can also manage the dynamic form that would be questions you can ask the user at the time of registration. You can choose if your question will be mandatory or not, and then choose if you want multiple responses, single choice, or a text field. The Events feature also has the ability to run subscription reports and manage different aspects of tickets for each event or course. See our other tutorial videos for more details. Thanks, and talk to you soon.